Alright guys, I'm not in my room right now, but I have some alarms I want to show you. I have a total of, let's see, this is an EST Edwards speaker only, and it has my name on it, so yeah, essentially cool speakers. This is a Wheelock RSS 24MCW-FR. This one's a Siemens This is a Siemens SE-MCW. This is an ear piercing one, so this one is actually a UMHU, come on, focus. A UMHU-1G. All the Surface Pyotronics will go right here. Alright, so that's there for fun. So, right here we have a family of system sensor products / Honeywell. Right here we have this. Right here we have a system sensor. Hold on one second. Put that here. There you go. We have a family of system sensor speakers, strobes, and speakers. We're going to go over one of them right now. This one right here is a, let's see if I can pick this camera up. System sensor SPSCRL. This one is a speaker strobe, not a horn strobe. Unlikely that one. Gotta put the mounting bracket back on. This one's an SPSRL. That's an SW right here. That's system sensor SW. If I can probably take the mounting plate off. Alright. This is a system sensor SW. So now we have a SPRL, speaker only. And we have a speaker ceiling mount only. Ceiling mount speaker SPCRL. This right you pull, you push in. This one's a PS-DA. You can do a demonstration pull. And we have a system sensor. Come on, focus. 2400. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my alarms. I have a CHW in my room, but I can't bring down today. So, alright guys. Pick whatever alarm you want to pick. I'm having a system test up on in my room. A wall, ceiling, speaker, I don't care. Which one you want. You can take this time to pause and select alarms you want. You can actually select, a, hold on, I gotta reset that real quick. There we go. Now that's reset. So I could do an audio voice message, like this is actually my voice evacuation amplifier. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for my alarms. So if you want me to do a system test, drop them out in the comments below, and I will pick a voice message for you. Starting with the testing announcement. All right. So, sorry. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Take care.